Ma, listen, 5.3, first 3 Roman we have completed. Now we are entering in the 4th Roman. So in the 4th Roman, we'll see the first question. I mean, sir, 4th Roman. How many terms? What is meaning of how many terms? I told you, the n. How many terms in the sense we have to find n. It can be an or it can be sn here, because what is given? Sum. What is given? Sum. How many terms in the sense we can find n? When they given term word, we can use an formula. When they given word sum, we have to use sn formula. By using both, we can find n. Do you understand? Right. Now, how many terms in the sense we have to find n? N equal to question mark. And sum of what is that? This AP. This AP must take and give sum. Then AP sum in the sense sum of n terms is the meaning. Sum of n terms, they are telling 636. Do you understand, children? So we'll go to the given AP. They are given. What is the AP? 9, 16, 25. It's going on, and some value, that is Sn value, they are given 636. We have to find n. We have to find n. Shall we start, my dear? Right. Kindly listen, everybody. Don't do any other work. Listen. So Sn formula we know very well. By using the AP, we can find very easily A value, D value, everything. This is my A1, A2, A3. So when I find A value, A in the sense we know that is A1. A1 value is what? 9. When I go to find D value, D in the sense A2 minus A1, which is equal to 17 minus 9, which is equal to 8. That's it. Now we got a value and a D value. Now we can able to use the Sn formula. Sn formula in the sense 2a formula, 2a plus, okay, not a plus l. So Sn formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 636. N value we have to find. A value I know. What is a? 9 plus n value need to find into d value 8. Yeah, 8, which is equal to 636. Right. From the bracket 2 you can take commonly outside, I'm right. For cancelling 2 you can do like that, or else in last also you can do. What do you think? Now we'll do in last. Then this 2 you send opposite. When you send opposite, what you will be getting? 636 into 2 will be there. Let it be 2 9s are 18 plus 8 you bring inside. 8 when you bring inside, 8 into n, 8 into minus 1. Like that you will be getting now. So 8 into n, 8n minus 1 into 8 minus 8. Okay. So n into 18, sorry, not 18, because 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n, which is equal to 636 into 2. Multiple the n inside. When you multiple n, you will be getting like this. Okay. So 10n plus 8n square. When you bring this opposite, minus 636 into 2 equal to 0. Always don't try to bring a big number. Let it be. When we divide it 2, 2 will cancel. Then why we have to multiply? Don't waste your time. You go as it is. Now, when we divide by 2 on both sides, so what I am getting? 5n plus 4n square minus 636 equal to 0. Arrange. First n square, next n, next constant equal to 0. Understand? Now we have to multiply each. 4 into 636. What is the number? 4 into 636? 6 4 are 24, remaining 2. 12 plus 2. 4 remaining 1 again. 24 plus 1, 25. Minus. Is it okay? minus 2544. Am I right? Now addition value, what I want to bring? 5 I want. What I want to bring? 5. So when we get a big number, we can go with the prime factor better. Okay. Take 2544. It's a very big number. When I go with the 2, 1, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 7, 2s are 14, 2. Again 2 in the sense 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 again. So what here again 2 when you go 3 time 1 time 8. Again 2 when I go 1 time 5 time 4 time. Sorry 9 9. Oh, it's a 19 am I right? So this is what then 3 table am I right? 5 time 3 time. Multiple everything 8 16 16 3s are 48. Am I right? All those things what? 48. 53 minus 48 5 we are getting no. Then take 48 and 53. So whatever we have a sign for the sum, what I mean where I want to give that sum sign? Greater number. Sum sign is positive. Greater number is 53. Then here minus you want to give. Then only minus into positive. When you product, you will be getting negative in the product. When you add, you will be getting plus 5. What is coefficient of n square? That 4 you divide by 4. By 4 you divide on both. Here it's possible. One time how many? 12 time. Other side not possible. Leave it. Then I'm going to write the answer as n minus 12 equal to 0 and n plus 53 divided by 4 equal to 0. Then n equal to plus 12 and n equal to minus 53 divided by 4. Negative value and rational number is rejected in the n. So negative value is rejected. Understand? Then n value we can take as a 12. That's it. How many terms only they asked to find. So when we go 12 term addition, we are getting 636. That means S12 equal to 636. That is the meaning here. Do you understand? No need to check. Just you write. Then therefore, sum of 12 terms must taken to a sum is 636. Like that you can complete in the word statement if you want. Okay. Because the question is asking like that. Understand? Right. Shall we go next? Shall we go to next? Right. What is the next? Fifth one. We'll see. Fifth one is what? First term of the AP is 5. That means what is that? A equal to 5. Last term is a 45. That means L value R AN is a 45. It's a term. Term means AN. Sum is 400. So what it is? Sn is 400. Find the number of terms. What it mean? N. Number of term in the sin. What it mean? N. Very good. Right. Common difference D. Okay. That's it. This is the given details. Okay. Now given details we can write now. So what all given? Yeah. In the given. What all given that you take and write A value they given 5 first term. Last term that is LRAN equal to 45. Some value Sn equal to 400 and they asked to find N and D. If you want to write it to find, you write, not a problem. To find N and D. If you want to write to find, you write. Understand? Right. Now, Sn. From Sn we can find N value very easily. So that Sn, when L is given, so we can go A plus L. Okay, A plus L formula we can go. So we know this formula or we have this formula. Sn value is a 400. N value we have to find by 2. What is that? A value 5 plus L value 45. So what I am getting 400 which is equal to this 2 you can send, no, opposite, this 2 you send. So what I am getting multiply 2 which is equal to N into what I am getting 50, right. Now if is it possible to cancel, you can cancel 1 0 1 0 1 5, how many 5? 8 5s are, right, fine. Now 8 2s are 16 equal to N. So N value we got as a 16. Am I right? Take this n, substitute in a an formula, you can get a d value very easily. By using Sn also you can find d, but it will take time, so I'm using an. Okay, right. So an equal to the formula we know, a plus n minus 1 into d. An they given as 45. A we know, 5. N minus n value 16. So minus 1 into d. 5 you bring opposite. So 45 minus 5, which is equal to 15d after subtract. What I am getting? 40. Multiple 15 when you send opposite, divide 15, which is equal to d. Okay. Yeah, we can cancel this, right? What is that? A 5 table. So 3 5s are, how many 5? 8 5s are 40. Right. So the answer is 8 divided by 3, which is equal to d. So d value 8 divided by 3. So n value 16. That's it. Is it okay? Is it okay? So this is the fifth question we have done. Is it okay, children? Right. Next, we are moving. Sixth one, first and last. They are telling very clearly first and last term. Term in the sense A. Okay, A1, AN. That is the meaning. So of an AP, this is my A1 and this is my AN. Respectively, they are given. Common difference in the sense what ma? D. D is what then? 9 in sense. How many terms? What it mean? N. N they are asking. How many terms are there? What is their sum? That means Sn. That means Sn. So two things we have to find. N value, Sn value. And they given a A1, AN, D also given. Shall we move? What do you think? Can I go or what? So in the given, I'm writing first term. First term in the sense A1. A1 only we know A, that is 17, and AN R L, it's given 350, and common difference they said 9. How many terms? That is, what it mean? How many terms? N. N we have to find, and their sum we have to find. Two things they have to find. Is it okay, children? Right. Now we are moving on. AN is given. From the AN, we can find the N value when they given A and D. A and D is given there. So very easily we can find the AN. Am I right? So now I'm going. AN formula I know what it is. A plus N minus 1 into D. So we know this formula. I'm writing AN value 350, which is equal to A value 17, N value we need to find, D value 9. Plus 17 you bring opposite, or else there you simplify and bring 17 plus 9 when you multiply inside, 9N minus 9. So 17 minus 9, 8. 8 you bring opposite later. Anything, any type you do it. Is it 350 when you separate with 850? What is the 350? 80, what I'm getting? 342. Multiple 9 when you bring opposite, divide. I did two step together. Is it okay? Right. Now you cancel. 30? 38. 1 9. 38 9. Is it okay really? Right. So what I'm getting? 38 equal to n. This is first time I'm doing this method. Usually one I will bring last, like that I will be doing. Am I right? This also you can apply. That is everything in your hand. Way of doing and all. What is that? Your wish, my dear. Right. Now what is the next? Sn they asked to find. What is Sn? Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. So n value 38. So S38 equal to 38 divided to a value 17, L value 350. That's it. Now 38 divided by 2 in the sense, what it mean? 19 it's mean. So we are going now 19 into, when I add this, 367. Multiple each Raja. Yes, 38 equal to, multiply and tell me, you people. 6 9. 6973. 6973. Is it okay? Sixth question. Huh? Well, it's a number work. You can do any method, okay? But you should remember that word mass and ideas. I'm going next to one. Find the sum. Sum in the sense what it means? Yes. Sum of first 22 terms in the sense yes 22. Okay. Find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP in which D is given. 22nd term is given. 22nd term is what? A22. That means L. Very good. Because when they ask S22, A22 in the sense L we can consider. Understand? Right. But by using A22 only, I am going to find the A value. A. A they didn't given. Have you noticed? A you need. AN. Yeah. So I am going here in the given. In the given, they are given that D value is a 7 and A22 RL equal to 149. They asking to find sum of first 22 term. That means S22. Okay. So AN formula are A22 equal to 49 in the sense A22 what I know A plus 21 D equal to 149. Directly you can write without using formula also. Is it okay? Or with the formula also we can move. D value they are given A plus 21 into D value what? 7 which is equal to 149. A plus 7 140 sorry 14 which is equal to 149. When I send this opposite what is happening? Subtract. So 2 is the answer. So A equal to what I am getting? 2. A value what my dear? 2. Take A value. The A value we don't want. They asked to find S22. Okay. Then sum of that means Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L I am going to use. N value they said that S22. 22 not N. 22 divided by 2. A value. Yeah, we got that 2. L value they are given 149. So when I cancel 2 with 22, what I am getting? 11. So we can go with that. 11 multiply 151. 151. 151. 151. 1661. Yeah, 1661. So yes, 20. That means sum of first 22 term is this is. Is it understand, children? Is it okay? Right. Next, eighth one. Listen, children, listen. Guys, listen. Sum of first 51 terms of the AP. Then what it means? Yes, 51. Okay, find. This is we have to find question mark. Okay. Whose second and third term. Terms in the sense A2 and A3 respectively they are given. Then this is A2, this is my A3 respectively. That's it. By using A2 and A3 we have to find A value, D value, then you can go inside. Clear? It's elimination. So in the given, let's go. What is given? A2, it's given 14. A3, it's given 18. Okay. Now, see D common difference we know one thing and to find. Listen, to find. What is to find? Sum of 51 terms. Yeah, common difference we know very well. A2 minus A1 which is equal to A3 minus A2 which is equal to in general form AN minus 1. Am I right? We can write like this lot. Am I wrong? So equal to it's going on AN minus 1. Am I right now? Yeah, this is the formula. So one term if you are choosing with the previous term and you subtract you will be getting D value. Am I right? So D equal to I am going to choose A3 minus A2. Both the terms are given. Have you noticed? A3, A2 is given. So what is my A3? 18. What is my A2? 14. Then what is my D? 4. That's it. D value we got without use elimination. or with the elimination also you can bring, not a problem. This is little time serve in the examination time. Okay, now take a2 in the sense what I know, a plus d, a2 value 14, a value don't know, but d value we know 4 when you send opposite, 14 minus 4 equal to a, then 10 equal to a. So I have a value, d value. Now we can go whatever they asked to find. Am I right? So yes, n equal to, I'm using the normal one formula when they given a value, d value. That formula I'm using, because if I want to use the L, I need a51. I don't have. Okay, so I'm going here. S51 they asked. So n value what? 51. So 51 divided by 2 into 2a. A value is what? 10 plus n value 51 minus 1 into d value, yeah, 4. Now when we simplify, you will be getting 51 and 2, it will not cancel, then you as it is you just go 20 plus, yeah, this is 50, 51 minus 1 50, 54s are 200. Okay, 200 plus 20, 220. So 51 divided by 220. Now you can cancel with a, yeah, 2 table. So 1 time how many time? 110. So what I am getting? 51, 51. Sorry, so 51, right? 51, 51. 1, 6, 5. 1 more 0. So what I am getting? Yes. So 51 multiply 110 in the sense. What is the answer? 5610. What it mean? Sum of first 51 terms. In the sense that is my required. Do you understand? Is it okay? In the beginning, if you want to go with the elimination, you can go. Surely you will be getting same A and D. Not a problem. That is also 100% correct. Because we never get that idea suddenly. Sometime. Huh? If you have idea, you go. Otherwise, normal method. No problem. Right. Next one, 9th. If the sum of first 7 terms of the AP, what it means? Sum of first 7 terms in the sense. S7. S7 is what is given? 49. And the top. Very, very important question. Put a symbol, important symbol for this. Maximum if they asking creative question, in this method they will ask. In this method they will ask. Do you think it's 9, so I'm giving important? Maybe that is also, but it is important. Right. Yeah. See, have you noticed it? 9th question, S49, 289, even answer also whether comment 9 or what, I don't know. But really it's important. And what they are telling, why I am telling it is important, first 7 term they are given some answer. That of 17 term, what it mean? S17. Here they didn't mention first 17 term. And that of 17 in the sense, again first 17 only, but they didn't mention it that. But here only one word they will give instead of that of next 17 terms. Then all the sums will be collapsed. The meaning is something else. What it mean in the sense, from A1 to A7 they are given 49. From A8 to 17 term we have to add. That is 829. Like that the meaning. Do you understand the concept of what I am telling? So it is very, very tough to move if they ask creative sum in such manner. So instead of that of, if they are given, again first 17 term only meaning. Listen, again I am telling that of 17 term in the sense, again first 17 term is the meaning. Instead of that of, if they are given next 17 term, total question is something else, different. We have one question in the example sum that I will teach you. Okay, the same model. Instead of that of, next they will be giving one word. I will tell you, that I will teach you. Okay, don't worry, but it's very, very important. So that of 17 term in the sense, what it mean? S17. Find the sum. Again sum. Sum of first n term. So what they asking here? Sn equal to what? Sn equal to what? That is we have to find. Shall we go now? Shall we move on? Right. So by using the given information, you should find A value, D value, N value. then only we can go to Sn. Understand? Shall we move on? Shall we? Right. Now, sum of first 7 term. So, in the given, sum of 7 term is a 49 and that of 17, that is next, continue 17 term is 289. It's a given. We have to simplify like elimination. We have to go. Shall we start? Right. What it is? S7 in the sense, the formula 7 divided by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6d equal to 49. Am I right? I'm writing Sn formula. Understand? See a. Like that, 17 divided by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1, yes, 16d, which is equal to 289. Now, listen, 1 7, how many 7? 7 sevens are. 117, how many 17? 17 17s are. Now we are moving with this divided 2. Divided 2 also, when you take 2 commonly outside, what I am getting? Huh? We'll send that side. Oh, right. Send this 2. Then what I am getting? 2 times a plus 6d equal 7 2s are 14. If this small number you multiply. Here also I am sending the 2 opposite. Then 2a plus 16d, which is equal to 17 into 2, 34. Then I am going to divide 2 on both sides for each. So what I am getting? A plus 3d equal to 7, answer number 1. Now again a plus 8d equal to 17, answer number 2. So we can subtract 1 and 2, a will be cancelled automatically. Like elimination method, we can move on. Shall we go? Okay. Now 1 implies. Shall we go 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1? 1 minus 1 I am teaching continuous. 2 minus 1, if we go, minus will not come. Directly we will be getting answer. So 2 minus 1, you people try if you want. Or 1 minus 2 also you could not. That means 2 you want to write first. That is the meaning. A plus 8d, which is equal to 17. 1 implies a plus 3 times d, which is equal to 7. When I change opposite sign, plus in the sense minus, minus in the sense plus, all the things are positive, so cancel to plus a minus a. What I am getting? The remaining plus 5d equal to 10. 1d, how many d? 1d, how many? 2. Then d equal to what I am getting? D equal to what I am getting? 2. 2 is the d value. 2 is the d value. Take a d value, substitute either in 1 or in 2, we will be getting the required. If I choose 1, a plus 3 times d, d value is a 2, which is equal to 7. Right. A, 3 2s are 6. 6 when you send opposite, minus 6. Then a equal to what I am getting? 1. So I got a value, d value. Then we can find Sn. Still we didn't find the n value. Then leave it. Sn, then if we cannot, then leave it. Because an not given, then Sn, in the sense, in general form, you have to find Sn without n. Do you understand? Without n, we have to find Sn. Shall we go? Shall we go? Right. What is Sn? We have a value, d value, but where are you going to substitute a value, d value? Sn is not there. We have to find Sn. An is not there. Then no other go. Then Sn we have to find in terms of n. No other go. So Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right. Now n I don't know. A value 1, n minus 1 into d value 2. Take the 2 multiple inside. So what I am getting when you multiple? 2 into n, 2 into minus 1. Like that. So here we have n by 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into n, 2n, 2 into minus 2, minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2, yeah, cancel. Then what I have? N by 2 into, I have 2n. What is possible to cancel? 2 one time, 2 one time, cancel. Then n into n into n, n square. Then sum of first n terms of the AP is n square. That's it. Sum of first n terms of the AP is what? N square. Huh? That's what. That's what. No other. For them also no other. Right. Next one we are going 10th. There is a 2 subdivision. You should take one as your homework. First one. Always first. Why? Because there is positive value. Am I right? Am I right? I know. But I like this second Roman because there is a 9. So show that A1, A2, AN form an AP where AN is defined below, right? They said we have to show A1, A2, A3 forms AP. For that AN is given. That is they are telling. We have to show, I mean, you want to find A1, A2, A3 like that. After that, you want to check whether it form AP or not. Not check. They ask to prove it's a AP. That's what they are telling. Show that. Show that it is a AP. After showing it is AP, then we have to go where? Also find sum of first 15 term. That means S15 we have to find in each case. So can I do now? So in the given AN is given. AN is what? 9 minus 5n. So we have to show A1, A2, A3 forms AP and find what Maharaja? S15. Do you understand the question? Guys, is it okay or what? Right, fine. Now we are moving. We'll try with a different number. Right, now, so A1 in the sense, what it mean? 9 minus 5 into 1, which is equal to 9 minus 5 equal to what? 4. A2 you find. So 9 minus 5 into 2, what I am getting? 9 minus 10, which is equal to minus 1. Then A3 equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, that is 9 minus 15, which is equal to minus 6. It's going on. So sequence is what? A1, comma A2, comma A3. It's going on. Okay. So A1 value what ma? 4, comma minus 1, comma minus 6, comma it's going on. We have to check whether it form AP or not. AP in the sense we have to find what? A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. Whether it's getting equal? Yes, it is. Am I right? Now let me find A2 minus A1. A2 value what? Minus 1. Formula minus. A1 value what? Minus 4. Equal to what I am getting? Minus 5. What I am getting? What I am getting? Minus 5. Right. Like that. A3 minus A2 you find. A3 value minus 6. Formula minus. A2 value what? Minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Equal to what I am getting? Minus 5. So therefore, A2 minus A1, which is equal to A3 minus A2. Then the given AN forms AP. After we proved it form AP, what they asked to do? S15 they asked to find. So S15, that means Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Here then A value what? Here A value what? A1 is the A. Then what is my A1? Plus 4. What is my D? Minus 5 from the above A2 minus A1 form. Now we can substitute all those things. Yes, 15 term they said, then yes 15. Then 15 divided by 2. 2 times A value. A value 4 plus 15 minus 1, 14, multiply d value minus 5. Simplify this. Then what I am getting? 15 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. Plus into minus minus. 14 5s are 70. Appa. Right. Subtract each. So 15 divided by 2. What I am getting? Minus 62. When I cancel, what I am getting? 1 2s are, how many 2s are? Minus 31. So we can go. Yeah. So 15 multiply minus 31. When we multiply each, minus 465. So sum of first 15 terms of the AP. This is the required. Is it okay, children? The way of doing is very important. Directly, if you are going for finding S15, it is a waste. Then half of the mark they will not give. Not half mark, half of the mark. If it is 2 mark, 1 mark they will not give. If it is 3 mark, 1.5 they will not give. First, they are asking to check, not check, to show. To show it form AP. Okay. So we have to what is that form? Okay. Yeah. I mean, we have to prove that it's forming AP. Then we are moving on there. Understand? Huh? Shall we go one more? Yeah. 11th one. What is the 11th says? What is the 11th says? Shall we go now? If sum of first n terms, what it mean? Sn. Okay. Of an AP is 4n. Then Sn is given 4n minus n square. It's important. They may ask in case also. What is first term? First term in the sense what? A1. A1 in bracket they said what it is? S1. When I give introduction about Sn formula, I told you that S1 equal to what I said? A1. A1 equal to what I said? A. Then S1, A1, A. Both are same. I told you, do you remember that? That is they are giving in bracket. Okay. And what is sum of first two term? That is S2 we have to find. Then what is second term? Second term in the sense A2. Similarly, find third, 10th and nth term. That means third in the sense A3, 10th in the sense AN, nth term in the sense AN. They said here term. So, A3, A10 only. Don't think S3, S10. Sum is over here. After that, what is term? Term started. So, similarly, we have to find like here lot of question they asked to do. So given is very few. What not few? Only one they given. What is given in the given? Sn is given. Very good, my dear. Yes, given is what? Sn equal to 4n minus n square. That's it. But to find, that is a lot. What all they asked to find? First they asked to find first term. That is A1 or S1. Okay. Right. Next what they asked? S2. Next what they asked? A2. Next A3. Next AN. Lot of things. That is the idea. If I find AN first, remaining very easy to go. No, when we give 1, 2, 3, we'll be getting all those. Am I right? We'll try to find AN if possible. Right? Yeah, it's a possible. There is a formula, but whether you will understand or not understand, I don't know. I will tell you. You see, Sn in the sense what? Sum of first n terms of the AP. Okay. Suppose if I take n minus 1, what it mean? Sum of n minus 1 terms of the AP. When I subtract each, what will happen? Everything will cancel. Which alone will be coming? Yeah. Then Sn minus Sn minus 1. What I am getting? An. Very easy to go. An finding. Sn is given. Sn minus 1 we have to find. Nothing. Instead of n, replace n minus 1. You will be getting Sn minus 1. Can I use this formula? Or can I go with the normal which we know? Normal which we know. Don't need this extra formula. Okay. Extra formula don't want. But this is the idea. You can use. Okay. Sn minus Sn minus 1 when we go An you will be getting. Very easily you can complete. Okay. But if you are not aware of that, we can go what we know. What we know? Sn, we know it's a given 4n minus n square. When I substitute 1, n value 1, what I will getting? 4 into 1 minus n square, 1 square equal 4 into 1, 4, 1 square 1 equal to 3. Yes, 1 in the sense what it mean? A1. What it mean? A1. A1 what we got? 3. Put a box for this. 1 we got. Which one? First one we got. Next what they asked? S2. S2. Then here you take this 1. 1 implies. Not here. Here you take. Not here. Here you take. Then here 1 implies. 1 implies instead of n, I'm going to substitute 2. N value 2. N value 2 in the sense what it mean? 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2s are 8. 2 square 4. Then what I'm getting? 4. S2 what I'm getting? 4. S2 what I'm getting? 4. Second answer over. What is meaning of S2? That is S2 in the sense sum of 2 term is the meaning. S2 in the sense what it mean? Sum of first 2 term is the meaning. S2 what I know? 4. A1 what I know? 3. Then what is A2? 1. 3 you bring. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equal to A2. That is 1 equal to A2. A2 also they asked to find. Am I right? Over. Next. D equal to. What I know? A2 minus A1 equal to. A2 value 1, A1 value 3, which is equal to minus 2. Why I am finding A2? They didn't ask to find A2. To find remaining A3 and all. Okay. Now we have a D value, A value. Surely we can find A3. So A3 is what? A plus 2 times D. Then A value 3 plus 2 times D value minus 2. Then 3, 2 2s are 4 equal to minus 1. Then A3 what I am getting? Minus 1. A3 what I am getting? Minus 1. Next what I want to find? A10. Right. A10 in the sense A plus 9D. A value 3 plus 9 into D value minus 2, which is equal to 3. 9 2s are minus 18, which is equal to minus 15. What is that? A10. A10 equal to what ma? Minus 15. A10 is over. Next what I want to find? AN apa? Right. AN I am finding this side here. Here I am finding. AN in the sense, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. A value what I know? 3 plus n minus 1. N, they ask general form. Don't apply n value. Okay. D value minus 2. Okay. Take minus 2 multiple inside. Okay. Minus 2 into n, minus 2 into minus 1. So what I am getting? 3 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 3, 5 minus 2n equal to what, my dear? An. That's it. We got all those. This is trial and error method, like normal one which we know. Understand? But first what I said, Sn minus 1, if you are doing, first itself you will be getting this. Then you will be getting, when you apply 1 as a n value, A1 you will be getting. When I apply 2, you will be getting A2. When I apply 3, A3 you will be getting. When I apply 10, you will be getting A10. That's it. Very easily you can complete. But not a problem. This is also okay, no? This is okay, no? This is okay, no? Right, fine. This is enough. So you have to copy. This is time for copy. Understand? Right. Thank you. Welcome.